Kumusta kayo guys? Hanap mo ba ay affordable and good quality houses? I'm sure ang sagot mo ay oo. Kaya naman, tara, samahan niyo ako and allow me to welcome you dito sa Mikara Estates, Tanza Cavite. For your information guys, Mikara Estates is another project of Pro Friends. Located lang yan dito sa Tanza Cavite. Guys, meet Portia. Si Portia guys, isa siyang townhouse unit dito sa Mikara Estates na mayroon siyang sukat na 40 square meters sa floor area at mayroon din namang siyang sukat na 45 square meter sa lot area. Si Portia guys, mayroon siyang 3 bedrooms, mayroon din siyang 2 toilet and bath, living room, dining room, service area, and of course, Portia comes with 1 parking space each unit. First toilet and bath located sa first level nitong si Portia. At in the video guys, this is the living room. Yan ang makikita natin pagpasok natin sa bahay. And tara guys, akit na ba tayo? Let's see kung ano meron si Portia sa second level. Okay, so this is the second bedroom guys. Dito lang yan sa second level itong unit. As you can see, may sapat siyang space guys, especially for small families. And of course, this is the second toilet and bath located sa second level itong si Portia. Nakatiles na siya guys. May sink and ready to use na. In the video, this is the third bedroom nitong Portia unit. Gusto ko lang linawin guys yung nakikita nyo ngayon, this is the actual turnover unit nitong si Portia. Punta naman tayo guys sa dress up unit nitong si Portia para lang makagkaroon kayo ng idea on how to arrange the possible unit na pwedeng mapasa inyo in the future. Guys, gusto kong i-highlight ito si Portia, available siya through Pag-IBIG financing. Good news ito guys for those who are Pag-IBIG members. Pwede nyo nang gamitin yung Pag-IBIG fund nyo to acquire a unit dito sa Mikara Estates tulad nitong si Portia. Another good news guys, pwede nyo nang i-reserve ang isa sa mga unit ni Portia for as low as 10,000 pesos. Si Portia guys, available siya ngayon both pre-selling and RFO unit. Guys, gusto ko lang din i-highlight itong si Mikara Estates is very accessible gawa ng it is located along the highway nitong si Antero, Soriano. Dito lang yan sa Tanza Cavite. So if you are interested about Portia or you want to know more about Portia and other units dito sa Mikara, you know what to do guys, just send me a private message for trippings and viewings. Dito lang yan sa Mikara Estates, Tanza Cavite. I am Tony Zunigo, your property advisor dito sa Mikara, Lancaster at Minami.